Alright, ladies and gentlemen, second analysis of the day. We want to follow up on an active position we have, short position on the New Zealand versus the Canadian. I believe last time we were here, I was just announcing that bearish campaign. I think it was a week ago. Price was kind of turning around, and ever since then, as you can see, it kind of closing in on the first target. We have 86.67. This starts to look like a legit full-fledged downside reversal. I mean, it's going to be confirmed when price cross below 86.67. For more than a profit taking spot, which it is, it's actually a big test level. If price can drill through that level, this is the bulk of the move that we expect to catch. This is it, right? This is what we signed up for to begin with. Up until now, this is kind of the bonus, right? Like the cherry on the cake. For us, it always been from 86.67 to 83.70. That was the move. Now look, I think it's time to feed this position, right? Price did, is definitely pushing downwards in an obvious way, and we already pulled the trigger twice. This is now a time to throw in one more to the mix. So that's what we're gonna do right after this session. We're moving up to 3 trades, fitting off this position. And next one in line is the 86.67. Obviously at this point, we're not necessarily going to take profit here, only if we'll see a visible reaction, right? So only if price will have difficulties breaking through. Just imagine it's gonna approach, and then it will momentarily it will break through, but then it will jump back up, right? It will spike that level and then close the day above 86.67. That's not going to be a good sign, and that's going to basically force us to take profit, right? We might take like 2/3 of the position, just like these 2 trades. We'll take them out, and we'll stay with just 1 trade just to have some skin in the game, because we still believe in the general conviction of a breakdown towards 83.70. But the technical correction could be something that we will have to face, right? Especially at 86.67. Now I want to show you how the big picture looks like. It's quite interesting. This is what draw us in the first place, right? This is how we started. We started off when we saw that lovely move from coast to coast, right? From the bottom, 81.04, all the way to the top. Nice touchdown here. Actually, pretty impressive. 4 consecutive weeks, price was all about, trying to break through 89.33 here, but just kept failing. And the last one was, was profound, right? Because it was taking all the previous highs, and at some point we were convinced it was breaking out, but then it just bounced back down and turned around. And ever since then, it's history, right? So this looks like a big time downside reversal, the kind that's going to create a downside trend, like a major downside trend, all the way to 83.70, like I said. So yeah, this is just a perspective from the weekly chart. Stop loss level was adjusted by 50 pip. Original placement was 90.50. Now it's 90 spot, right? Still hiding above 89.33 for protection. Like I said, right after the session, pulling the trigger, pushing the position slightly bigger, and we'll definitely come back soon to keep following up on the situation here. We'll keep you posted. That's about that for this one. That's about that for today, Forex market. We'll be back tomorrow, so enjoy the rest of the day. Cheers.